Hello friends, in today's episode we look into what is a seed ball or a seed bomb and what is the purpose of making these seed balls. We'll also learn how to make your own DIY seed balls, which is a great fun activity for kids and even adults. Coming up. Before we start, please make sure you have subscribed to our channel with the bell icon clicked. Let's start. What is a seed ball? A seed ball, also known as a seed bomb, earth ball, clay dumpings and so on. It's actually an ancient technique to keep the seeds safe until conditions are favorable for germination, and also they are a very convenient seed dispersal mechanism to plant trees everywhere. That is called guerrilla gardening. Usually they're thrown alongside the road soil to grow trees for greenery and protect our Mother Earth. Now, what is the composition of a seed ball? A seed ball is usually a mixture of clay and compost and then dried, of course with a seed pre-planted into it. Cotton fibers are sometimes mixed into the clay to make it more strong, especially when you're throwing them harshly. How many seeds to be included in one seed ball? Generally, 1 or 2 seeds are sufficient. The second seed is just a backup if in case the first seed fails to germinate. On the other hand, a seed bomb contains many seeds for dispersal, but adding too many seeds into one seed ball may result in overcrowding and failure to thrive, and the resulting plants may not perform well. Sometimes these seed bombs are used for aerial reforestation techniques. Now, what is the size of a seed ball? Nothing fixed, but generally they can be anywhere between 10 mm to 80 mm depending on the size and the number of seeds. Now coming to DIY seed balls. Yes, you can make your own DIY seed balls or seed bombs. It's a great fun activity for kids. They'll really enjoy it, especially on a Sunday in a park or a picnic. You can also explain them the importance of trees and oxygen, plus the environmental and the health benefits of gardening. I have linked these videos right here and also in the description of this video. Just carry some clay soil from the garden mixed with some vermicompost and of course some seeds. Any seeds will do. If you have any special seeds of some larger trees, that's really good. Take this mixture of soil and compost in your hand and sprinkle some water and roll it into a ball. Or what you can do is carefully add some water into the whole container and make it like a dough and then roll it into a ball, and then insert a seed into this by making a depression and then roll it back into a ball. Optionally, you can wrap a thin layer of toilet paper and keep it for drying. These are some ready-made seed balls available online. These are especially for larger trees. Make sure you do not throw these on some useful farming or agricultural lands. Choose a right spot where you think a tree is required, like for example alongside the road where there are not enough trees, or on a large open no man's land, or even a playground, especially around the boundaries if there are no trees around. Now, what is the right time or the season to use these seed balls? Though best time is early spring, you can disperse them in any season including winter season. Better avoid in hot summer. Also, please watch my interesting episode on F1, F2 and F3 hybrid seeds from the end screen link circled right here. So there you have it folks. Please click a thumbs up if you like the video, share it with your friends and comment below with your feedback. Consider subscribing if you're new to this channel. Happy gardening!